gonna show you a little challenging technique, is twisting technique. When we're creating this twisting technique, we need to take like this big section, like 2 inches, pull this way, like down now, and we need to back comb very good roots. When we have finished the back combing the roots, we need to back comb a little bit more longer, like this, to have some force, to have some base. So now we are cleaning this side because we're gonna twist in this way. And this hair we need to twist and hold it very tight to the head. It doesn't have to have any space or gap. And very gently pulling the hair. And not hairspray. Because if you hairspray this part, you're gonna hairspray all this area also. And when you finish, you can hairspray a little bit gently, like this, to clean out these lines, okay? And after that, I can put little pins to support these lines, okay? And now we can gently pull another side like that. And hairspray. And if it's not hold as good, you can put extra pins like this. Okay, this side I want to twist like this, and that's why I need to hold all this hair and pull like that. Opposite side, that I need to back comb very good roots like this. As you can see, we have very beautiful and very like strong base, which we can easily wrap it and make alliance. And after that, I'm wrapping like that, very good. And if you feel that it's a little difficult for you, you can put the pin like this to the ends, and your hand is free now, right? And you can very gently start pulling, and we start pulling again, super gently, okay? And always roots, we just keep working with these lines that we're working and trying to pull a little bit more.